Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and set up the mobile hotspot on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do this, we need to open settings and then go to more connectivity options. And then over here we have portable hotspot. We can select this option and then turn on portable hotspot by tapping on this slider. If you do this, then you'll see the information that the hotspot is now on, and anyone who has the password to your hotspot can of course connect to you. Now, in order to set up the portable hotspot, the mobile hotspot, manage it, then we need to go to setup portable hotspot. Now, over here we have our SSID, which is the name for the network, so you can change it over here. And then you also have the password. This is the randomly generated password by the device. You can press this I in order to reveal the password. And if you want to, you can tap on the current password and then change it to anything else that you wish to have. Now, in addition to that, you have some more options like the security. You can change the security type. We have the device identification. We can select the AP band, switch between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. And then we also hide the SSID. And once you are done with the changes, you want to press this check in the top right corner in order to save these changes. The hotspot, after the changes are applied, the hotspot will restart. And in addition to that, if you want to, you can also generate the QR code for other devices in order to connect to your hotspot by pressing share QR code. And then over here you have the QR code, and you can, like I said, share it with other devices if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.